Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to this channel, welcome to the fam. Okay, today we are going to make the sticky, yummy, juicy chicken. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So first you need to wash your chicken. So to wash it thoroughly, you will need to wash it with some lemon. Okay, so lemon is good in cleansing and getting rid of the bacteria and all the dirt in the chicken. Okay, so place your chicken in your bowl. I just used about 7 pieces of chicken. I used the mini thighs. You can use any part of the chicken, your wings, your chicken feet, anything. Okay, so this recipe is versatile. So wash it nicely and thoroughly with your lemon and some water. Okay, when you're done washing it, take it out and put it on a paper towel to dry it up. Okay, and then now you need to chop about 2 tablespoons of parsley. I use fresh parsley, but you can definitely use dried parsley. In a small bowl, mince or grate 2 tablespoons of ginger and 2 tablespoons of garlic. And this is where you're going to add in your parsley. Now squeeze in a tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, and that's going to add some flavor. Make sure you don't put in those seeds. So this is the parsley that you can use if you don't have fresh parsley. This is the dried parsley. Okay, do not know why I chose to show you now, but anyways. Now add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now transfer to a bigger bowl because we're going to add more ingredients. Okay, to avoid this step, you can just use a big bowl from the get-go. Okay, and next you need to add in about 4 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. I honestly eyeballed this, as you can see. And then next you need to add in about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now next up, you need 1 tablespoon of ketchup or tomato sauce. Now remember, if you want to make more of this recipe with more chicken, remember to double the measurements. Okay, next up, you need to use Thousand Island. I had Keepy Thousand Island. You can use any type of Thousand Island. It will work perfectly for this recipe. Okay, now put everything in the bowl and mix. Thoroughly mix it together to combine all the ingredients. I kid you not, this smells absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to eat it. Okay, now put your chicken in a Ziploc bag like this. Okay, and then you're just going to put all the sauce on top of the chicken. Okay, so you need to pour it in and massage it in the chicken, making sure that all the pieces are marinated. Okay. After that, refrigerate for about 2 to 3 hours or overnight. And now the fun part, after that, take it out of the refrigerator and transfer it into your baking tin. Okay, so this is how it should look. Right, looks all nice and coated and juicy. Look at that. Now bake at 180 for 20 to 25 minutes, and this is how it should look afterwards. Guys, I cannot tell you how gorgeous, how juicy, and how sticky and yummy this chicken is. You have to try it, I promise you. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, to comment, to like, and to share. Goodbye.